Harold and his men now find themselves in an alien world. The Saxons are mustachioed at this stage in the story, rather fine-looking, with a certain air about them, despite their predicament. The Normans, by contrast, shave the backs of their heads. They're the scary half-skinheads of the early feudal world. Realising that his lucky number has come up, William can afford to be all charm and generosity to his prisoner, cleverly bringing him into his military entourage. William took Harold on campaign with him in Brittany,